Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are preparing for MPPSC Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exam, this video is very important for you. MPPSC exam has two phases. First, written exam and second one, interview phase. So there are two phases in the MPPSC Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exam. Today, I will share complete strategy for the MPPSC Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exam, including the books that I prefer for my preparation. First, understand the one thing. Written exam is your base. Your score decides your result here. Step 1 for phase 1, that is the written exam. First, download the syllabus from the MPPSC website or then print out this and know the syllabus very well. Second, divide the syllabus according to the subject or unit wise. You can study that and highlight some important points of the syllabus. This is the syllabus of Madhya Pradesh Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exam. So you can also download it from the Madhya Pradesh website and it is available in both Hindi and English. Step 2 for phase 1, that is written exam, is focus mainly on the subject, that is pharmacology, livestock production technology, livestock product and management, or veterinary medicine, veterinary gynecology, surgery and radiology. These are the main subject and core of the subjects. Some of the portion of anatomy is also there, physiology. So you have to study some portion of that is also given in your syllabus. And also the general knowledge of Madhya Pradesh is also in the syllabus of the MPPSC Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exam, that is under the 5 units of MP general knowledge. Now many students ask me which book follow to. So the first book that I prefer for my veterinary preparation, that is Animal Science Refresher book. This is the handbook type of book and in which all the animal science chapter is available. Like you can see in this book, there is animal genetics, AGB questions, livestock product, dairy, meat science, poultry science, and animal reproduction, veterinary extension education. All this is very important as the perspective of the exam. So this handbook is very useful as for the animal science portion, and in which a question paper is also given in this book. So you can refer this book for PYQs also, and after every chapter there is some MCQs also given. So you can also solve this MCQ and prefer for your revision purpose. So I personally recommend this book because it's very important as per the MPPSC Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exam. Second book that I prefer for my Veterinary Assistant Surgeon exam, that is Review of Veterinary Science, and Review of Madhya Pradesh GK is also given in your syllabus. The 5 unit of Madhya Pradesh GK is there, including history, economics, nowadays geography, tribal portion, and some of the computer portion. So I personally prefer the book of Madhya Pradesh Pariksha Dham book, and this book is very useful, helpful for me for the Madhya Pradesh exam. And the book I prefer because in which there is very to the flow diagram chart is also there, and the facts are given very good, and it is also in the table form. So you can learn the chapters in very short and form. The facts are given here. So you can also prefer this book, Madhya Pradesh Pariksha Dham, but it is in Hindi. So if you are an English medium guy, you can also prefer the Mahesh Maheshwari book, that is also for Madhya Pradesh GK, and other also books. There is so much available books for Madhya Pradesh science, but I personally prefer this book that because I learned and it is easy for that Madhya Pradesh. So I learned from this book and preparing myself from this. Now we will talk about previous year question paper. So previous year question paper is also very important for the exam perspective. So you can also go through all the RPSC exams like Odisha exam, Punjab, Haryana. So all will help you in this exam because the PYQs is also very useful for revision purpose, or you can know that how which type of questions are there given in the MPPSC or previous year question papers of MPPSC Veterinary Assistant Surgeon. Important advice for you guys. First, don't follow too many books. Revise again and again. and also make some short notes that help in last time for revision purpose. And consistent is the main key for the success. So please be consistent. Study for 6 to 8 hours in a day. Also revise Madhya Pradesh GK regularly, because Madhya Pradesh GK is very unknown to us guys. So revise this Madhya Pradesh GK regularly, and also with veterinary science, because we have to clear both the Madhya Pradesh GK also and in also the veterinary science in the written exam. After clearing the written phase, you have to come for the interview phase. Interview phase is second phase of this exam. So you have to also prepare yourself for interview. So in the interview is for the score purpose. It is generally to test your personality. So first prepare your introduction, prepare some clinical cases, what you have learned in duties, internship, and also about your district, some of the clinical cases that you have seen in your district. Also about the government livestock schemes that is run by the Madhya Pradesh government. And this all about the interview, how I prepared for the veterinary interview, MPPSC interview. So first of all, I have given so many mock interviews for that. Board members required a responsible veterinary surgeon, not a nervous student. So you have to build your confidence in your personality. Most common mistake that is done by the students are they are not following the syllabus, they are not revising again and again. And be yourself. Do not compare yourself with the other veterinary students. Stay focused, stay consistent, stay doing hard work, and stay focused on your preparation. Preparation phase is very tough, but if your goal is clear, there is nothing impossible. Once I was also a veterinary student preparing for the veterinary assistant surgeon exam, but now I am a veterinary assistant surgeon. If you want next video on my interview strategy, how I prepare myself for the interview, how I preparing for my veterinary journey, and of my veterinary guidance, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel Vet Dr. Saraswati, and comment below on which topic I will make a video for you guys. Thank you.